Have you ever stared at your screen for hours trying to come up with content ideas, but nothing comes out? Trust me, I have been there. Content block is real. And if a business owner, a marketer, a social media manager, a content creator, it feels like you're stuck in a creative rut. But what if I told you you had a creative assistant available 247 that never runs out of ideas? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to come up with viral content ideas, engaging caption, blog posts, and more for business brands and creators. I will also show you how to prompt it properly because the magic is in how you act. Please subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, share this video to your family and
Like
friends.
you tell ChatGPT what you do, your age, the number of followers that you have, the audience that watches you, the country that watches you, and what you want ChatGPT to do with this. Like let me say, let me go on with the record. Yeah, ChatGPT, I am a 22 years old lady and I have 607 subscribers on YouTube. I do lifestyle, skincare, and product review. Currently, I have 4 viral videos. Those 4 viral videos were shower routine, lazy girl shower routine, and house hunting in Lagos. So the audience that watches me most is Nigeria, America, and South Africa. So I want you to give me a content calendar for 1 week that I can use to follow these people up and make more views and more engagement and more subscribers on my channel. Period. You click here and it's processing. Coming up. It's coming up. This is how it's done. It's coming. So ChatGPT will basically do anything for you because you're working with what you have already. Those content are the content that are bringing views, bringing you subscribers. So you have to really work more on it because this is for people that do content creation. This is exactly how to achieve result with ChatGPT. ChatGPT has given us Monday content, Tuesday content, Wednesday content, is going on a Thursday content. Now is on the 5 content because I asked for 1 week. 1 week is 7 days. So is on a day 5 content. Is going on the 6th, which is Saturday. Is going on the 7th, which is Sunday. Excuse me. Is giving us a bonus tips. Can you see? It's still asking me, want me to turn into a downloadable calendar, PDF, or prep some short script intros for this video. If I want this, I will actually go and say yes. ChatGPT will still go ahead to bring it out. Can you see week 1? YouTube content calendar for viral growth. Can you see my realistic morning shower? Can you see it? Can you see Tuesday, YouTube short? This is how I would do it to keep growing those audience. Do you see on Wednesday that ChatGPT didn't still skip that house hunting that was giving me views and subscriber? He said Lagos house hunting episode 2, budget homes you will love. So if I should go and recreate this, I am still going to get that same amount of view or more than that with this house hunting in Lagos. Do you understand? So on Thursday, it's giving me YouTube short from dusty to clean, things that I should do to keep my audience. The hook, the CTA. Hook is what you will say that will make your audience stay on that particular content before they lose interest. It's giving me CTA. CTA means call to action that I'll still do. You see on the 5, it's giving me vlog, the goals, hook, CTA, the tags that I can use. On the 6, which is on a Saturday, it's giving me short tutorial how to get soft skin with 3 products. Do you see? Because this is what is actually getting views. All these things that ChatGPT gave me is what is actually giving me views on my YouTube channel. So this is for people that do content creation, live vlog, content creation. This is what you need to do. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. You should follow this prompt. It's going to deliver exactly this. And make sure that you stick to what ChatGPT gave you. If you want script, now listen. If you want script on these things, just go and say, on the 6th, you gave me a short tutorial on how to get soft skin with 3 products. Please, I want you to help me with a script of the 6th Saturday, that is Kiniko Kiniko. You will take this thing to ChatGPT to give you a prompt, because you're not going to do it like this. It will give you a prompt that you will use, a script that you can use for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, it depending on how many minutes you want it to be. You still tell ChatGPT you want so minutes. It will script it for you. You go and study your script. Create your content. That is it. Now, let's say you are a business owner and you want to do a small product launch. To go tell ChatGPT how old is your business, what you do, people that you want them to buy from you, people that you want to sell those, because you want to launch a product, rather people that you want to launch those products to. Launching a product means people will actually buy it, right? So tell ChatGPT your target audience. You will now say, ChatGPT, give me a 1 month worth of email subject line for my product launch. Weight gain. Let's just say is weight gain. So you click here. ChatGPT is processing what it should be. So like I said, mention what you want. Mention where you want to center it around. Mention the people that have bought from you, what they have bought so far. Maybe you want to launch another thing. Just let him know. He's be the one to give you um guidelines on what to do, and the guideline works like magic. So this is ChatGPT giving us 30 email subject line for your product launch. This is how it is. So can you see that ChatGPT is doing everything? Is doing everything. This prompt. So this is how it is done. So this is not where it stops. Do you understand? This is not where it stops. Let me educate you on number one is launch teasers, how to build hype. So you are not ready for this. You have to go with this same. That's why I said you have to make sure that you are logged in on your chat GPT. So you have to go. You are not ready. Tell him that this is what he said, that you want a script based on this, you're not ready. You can still send the email, you can still use part of it to post on your social media, if it is IG, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. So you will work with it. Number two is something fresh is dropping with gain. You still have to go and ask him that this is the prompt that you gave me for 30 days. I am on the number two. What can I do with something fresh is dropping with gain? Give me ideas on what to do to make people still be thinking and waiting with curiosity of what will happen. ChatGPT will always do that for you. This is how to ask ChatGPT anything that you want. So this goes to anywhere. Are you a social media manager? Are you a marketer, a business person, a content creator, someone that stay at home but sometimes you forget that I have to do this, I have to do that and I have forgotten. Go and prompt ChatGPT. This is what you need to do. ChatGPT will give you prompts. Maybe you can copy it, put it on your notice board, or you put it on your phone, copy it, take it to your note, set an alarm. Once the time reaches, you will see that the alarm will alert you, oh, by 4:35 today you need to like do this. This is what you need to do. You will now say, oh, thank God I have a reminder. I thank God I have someone that is reminding me. That's why I said ChatGPT is your personal assistant. You had him, but you don't know that he's available 247 to answer you. So if you find this particular content interesting, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with anybody that is interested in growing their social media and improving their content creation, in making things easy for them. Share this video so that they can get this. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I make a new post. See you in my next one. Bye.